Oh my goodness. Welcome to Fantastic's channel. Fantastic Favor is a highly favored channel.
Hey guys. welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello there. My name is Jessica. I am the mom of these beautiful 4 amazing kids you're seeing here. So guys, today's video is beautifully sponsored by iClever. iClever gave us this. Like, we cannot wait to unbox and see what is inside here. I already know what is here though, but my kids, they don't have any idea, like no clue whatsoever. They don't know what is here, but they are so impatient to see what we have in here. So we are going to unbox this package and see what we've got. Can someone get me a scissors, please?
Of course.
Calm down. Just calm down. Okay. It's a happy day today. Like, they can't wait. They can't wait. Me neither. I can't wait. I want to see. I also want to see what is in this box.
It's true.
It's true.
It's so satisfying.
Wow.
Children. Children. I can't hear anybody sing. Oh, you're just all interested. Children. Children. Jesus loves you. Children. Children. Jesus loves you. Are you ready to see what is here?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you sure? You guys can see we have 4. Yes, thank you. You are all welcome. You are all welcome. But I want you to also thank iClever for sending this to you guys. Okay? Say thank you, iClever.
Thank you, iClever.
Yes. So I don't know the colors we have here yet because they are all looking the same from the cartons, but we are going to open and see if they are all the same color. I'm not sure if it's specified here, but let's just go ahead and open one.
I thought it's light projector.
Okay, she said she thought it's a light projector because they've been asking for that, so I can put it in their room. You know, all these beautiful lights that you can turn on at night, and it will give your room a very cozy feel, you know. So she was thinking that's what we have in here, but apparently no. So this is blue color. Which color? Can I talk? Wow. Which automatically goes to Joshua because blue is his favorite color.
It's so cool. So beautiful. This is so
Wow.
Guys, and it's wireless. This is so cool. Like, it's so beautiful. It's extendable. You can extend it, you can shrink it back. Like, come on, this is amazing. Before I give it to you, Joshua, I'm going to try it first.
Wow, it fits. So all of us we
this
have
is so beautiful. Here you go. Wait, hold on. Oh, we have a USB charger here. It comes with a USB charger, and okay, I'm going to show you guys later. Just keep the carton one side.
Next one.
The next one, let's see what color we've got. No, hold on. Hold on. We have 2 different shades of blue, okay?
That one's gonna be
okay, just hold on a bit. Let me bring all of them out first. Okay? And see the color we've got here.
Wow! It's so
Oh, let me get this one out. The colors are
Pink. This one is my own.
okay. We've got two different shades of blue.
Pink.
He prefers green or orange. Mommy, sit down. He likes green or orange, but we can still do this.
That's nice.
This is Favor's favorite color, pink. So obviously this goes to Favor and her USB chargers. This one comes in white. Okay. So Blessing loves purple, and this is her favorite color. And her USB chargers are here as well, black color. So no, first of all, which color do you prefer, this blue or this one? Okay, you prefer this one, fine. That settles it. Like, this is so amazing.
Look at Blessing.
The earphone looks too small in my eyes, so we can use headphones.
Yeah, it's for kids. They specifically made this for kids. It has noise cancellation. It's adjustable. Like,
Mommy, thank you so much.
Mommy, thank you so much.
I have earphone buds.
yeah, I have a headphone. This is not earphone. This is a headphone.
Okay?
Okay. Yes. Get my own. My own is a wired one. This one is wireless. As
Mommy's
you can
one
see.
is blue and black.
Yeah, mine is blue and black.
Similar.
Yes, similar to this. So this is mine
Yeah.
with the wire, obviously, right? But theirs is wireless, which is so perfect for kids.
Wow.
Because they can't just be carrying wire up and down.
too.
I mean, this is the best.
Joshua, guess what?
What?
This thing can make like light type of kind
Mommy,
of thing on
there is
this
this
on this
bottle.
side. It
Yeah.
can. Oh, that is so.
Mommy.
Is that what you just discovered?
Yeah.
There is
Because
a
of this.
stuff, yeah.
Because you can see it makes this type of.
Then the,
Oh,
no,
wow.
it's Joshua's own that we make.
Me, Mama.
Yes,
Like
Joshua's own. You are blocking the camera. Joshua's own is by the side.
Why does
And
mine-
Blessing's own. Oh, yours and Caleb's
Mommy.
are the same model. Blessings and Joshua's. Can you see?
Joshua,
He
you
already turned it on. How did
Why
you
would
do
you turn
that?
it on?
Oh my goodness, this
Me,
is so
I'll do it
lovely.
first. Me too.
Have you done yours?
I don't know how to do it.
Just here, turn it on.
Just turn it on here.
Thank you super much.
I love it.
Now I'm jealous. Now I want mine. iClever, where is mine? I need mine. I want mine.
Help.
Because this one is giving me issues already. I want mine.
It's so pretty.
This is so cool and so beautiful. It's so lovely. Like, I love it personally.
I just
Where's
put this
the
and I
love
get
in
something. I just
So
put it
we are
in.
going to connect it with your tablet. Okay?
Yeah.
It's
Mommy,
so
when
because
is
of
that
the-
on it?
Mommy, thank
Here
you
is
for
your
buying
packet.
this
Here
color.
is your carton there.
Oh, thank you for buying this color.
Now, in case you're wondering why you should get a headphone for your child or children, according to World Report on Hearing published by the HWO globally, 34 million children live with disabling hearing loss. You see why you need to get this headphone for your child or your children? Because iClever is recommended by many authority media as the best kids headphones. Keyword, the best kids headphones. This technology protects children's hearing with a volume limiter, providing crisp and clear sound. They have protected millions of children from hearing damage while helping millions of parents rest easy, knowing that their children are safe. Now, as parents, or let me speak for myself, as a mom with 4 children, whenever my kids are on their tablets, although they don't get to use their tablets during school days, but during the weekends or holiday periods when they get to use it, everybody wants their tablets to be heard more. Like they keep increasing the volume so that they can hear what they are listening to or what is playing in the tablet. So with this headphone now, everywhere is a lot quieter, calmer, and there is peace everywhere.
It's comfy on the ears. That's one thing I like.
No, Ophelia, I don't want to waste it.
Now this is a close-up view of what the device looks like. This is their BTH18 model. This device, as you've heard from my daughter, is very comfy on the ear. It's very safe for kids to play and learn at the same time. If you have a child who is doing online classes, this is a must for your child. You can see how soft the pads are, which makes it more comfy on the ear. It has multiple colored lights, which you can see on the screen right now. Once you turn it on, the lights comes up, making it look more fancy and more beautiful. And you all know that kids love fancy stuff like this. Now here are some key features about this product that you should know. It's very lightweight for your kids everyday use. Like it's not that heavy at all, and it's very compact. It's durable as well. It has high quality sound for immersive audio. It's also available in fun, kids friendly colors. Just like you can see, obviously I've got 4 different colors here. I have pink, I have purple, I have 2 shades of blue. They have it in different other colors as well, but these are the ones they sent to us. It's comfortable, like my daughter mentioned earlier. It has adjustable design, which is suitable for your kids. As you can see, you can either extend or shrink the strap, which is the one that goes from your head down to your ears, and it has a volume limiting technology for your kids' safe listening. Don't forget to click on the link in my description box or in the comment section to get 1, 2 or more for your kiddos. Now here are the USB chargers, which comes in black and white colors. You can pair this up with any USB charger you have at home and you're good to go.
Thank you, iClever. I love the headphones so much. This is so adorable. Thank you, iClever. I love this headphone.
Wow.
Thank you, iClever. I love this headphone.
Oh, sweet.
Thank you, iClever. I love the headphone.
Yes, my kids love it. Like they are so happy. The other day they were dragging earpiece, not even a headphone, earpiece. They were all dragging it. And now look, it's as if iClever read your minds, right?
Yeah. Like this is so pretty.
Yeah, I love it for them.
Mommy, this one even has charger.
Yeah,
Yes.
it has a charging port.
Is it from the big side or the circle side?
We will figure that out later, okay?
And guys, since we got this product delivered to us, my house has been very peaceful and quiet. Like you come to my house, you might not even know that I have children because everybody is minding their own business. And this is also very useful when it comes to virtual classes. If you have a child or children who is doing online classes, this device is a plus, and it's a must-have for your child or your children. Can you see how beautiful the lights look in dark? And can you also see how my boys are just minding their business and vibing to their music? I love that for them.
Mama, we are actually enjoying it because like it's just so relaxing. Like you don't get to get those random noise in your ears while listening. I just love it.
My daughter cannot stop explaining how much she likes this device because I personally tried putting this on my ears, and guys, the sound that comes out from this is absolutely amazing. And plus you can still hear what somebody is saying even while you are listening to your music or whatever it is you are listening to. You can still hear when somebody calls your name or when somebody says something to you. I love it. I love it. I want one for myself. iClever. Favor, where is your tablet?
In my room.
In your room.
Yes.
Joshua, where is your tablet?
In my room.
Caleb, where is your in your room? Blessing, your own is here. Yes. So that's another cool feature about this headphone. Their tablets are in the room while they are in the living room, and they can still hear what is going on. As you can see, they are dancing and they can also hear me clearly. Like, it's so amazing that they can hear me, they can hear what is playing in their tablets. You need to get this item for your kids. It's so amazing, guys. Make sure to click on the link in my description box to get yours. Okay, you can also check my comment section. I'm going to be pinning the links there as well. Go and get this for your kids. They will thank you. They will love you more.